Hi. I hopped onto my old game, Kiara, and I'm going to show you my cow. And I'm on it with my pen, and it works with my mouse and the pen. See? Let's get some flowers. My flowers are ready. And using my scroll wheel to zoom in and out, and my pen. So this is the first time I've been on my game on my X pen, and it's cool. And I wanted to just show you that. This is my guinea pig. Oh, I'll show you my favorite pigs in here. We'll see my dolphin. Where are you, Fluky? Fluky. Where are you? Where's Fluky? Oh. Huh. He's lost. Well, he's probably hiding somewhere in the water. Okay, well, anyways, I don't wanna take too long. Are you doing your schoolwork? So I'm super excited that you're gonna do Blender with me, too. So excited about it. I zoomed away in with my tablet on my girl. It's my tablet, not the game. My tablet camera. That's funny. We could find Fluky this. See? Fluky, where are you? Oh, I turned my fishing on. Let's see. Let's get some fish. Holding up my tablet. Let's see what we're getting. Oh, look at that. A sunfish. Awesome. This is my Farmville 2 on Windows. Okay. We'll get that later. See what animals I have in here. Those are my gift cards. See my animals if I have any. Yeah. Look at all my extra animals that I have. I have a turkey, a chicken. There's the turkey. Oh yeah, and I should get him out because it's Thanksgiving soon. Anyways, so a Boeing person someone sent Daniel called about a Boeing position that's come open for Daniel. So hopefully Daniel will go back to work or go to work at a different place so that I can spend more money on my Farmville game. Oh boy. Okay, so there, I'm using my pen. See, it's working. I'll feed my guy. I didn't know if Farmville would work in here, but I know now. Get some honey. Ooh. Okay, I gotta go get some baby bottles fixins'. Cause holding the camera here. Fluky, where are you? There's that guy down in there. Wouldn't that be funny if there was a bug and there he is. There's Fluky. Hi. We have Fluky instead of a real dog or cat. He's a little bit less expensive, quite a bit less expensive than having a real pet. How cute. I'll zoom in as far as I can. Oops, let's see if that works. I've never done that before. That was fun. Okay, now we can see Fluky. Honey, you should see this is hysterical. I've got the tablet zoomed into like, I think, some crazy. And it's actually showing the... Okay, now we come over here. Oops. Hey, Fluky. And then we can get him to move, but we have to gather 15 plants or whatever. And then he'll jump up and... Anyways, I'm kind of like crazy over my dolphin. And then he'll swim up and down and he'll get oil. Whoops, sorry that's all blurry. There, let's zoom back out a bit. There we go. That was fun. Okay, but you're gonna do Blender with me too. I'm so excited about it. We can just pop on to Blender, and I can come over here to one of these keys here. I don't know how to use my X pen very well yet. That's settings. Ooh, there's those blue flowers. Ooh, they're so pretty. They're chrysanthemums. They reminded me of your favorite color. Okay, let's close that. It's this button, I think. You're going to be so much better at this than I am. I'm going to be so proud. I'll just click that off. My mouse works too. Okay. And then, anyways, one of these will tab up. Tab up. That one. This one, oh, notice that is also, it didn't work on the viewport of Blender, but notice there's a zoom wheel right here, Kiara, on your X pen. Look at my babies. My babies, my babies. They're hungry. Ooh. Okay. One of these is my... Maybe it's the middle one. Because you can press this. You can press this a little bit. I don't know how to do it. But this is gonna... I still wanna... Okay, my fingers are going over to my laptop keyboard, and now I'm hitting the Windows button to pop that open. Because I want to go to Blender. Let's see. So you're going to work with me in Blender. I'm so excited. You know what? You're going to love it. You're going to be able to learn it, even though you're only 8 years old. Because you're so smart, if you can get to level 26 in Farmville 2, you can learn how to do this. It's just knowing where the buttons are and practicing and being patient. And See, I made these little, it's kind of like a tree, but it was a practice project. But I'm going to make a kitty with you. You want to make a kitty? Okay, we're going to have a lot of fun. And I'm so glad you're going to learn. And then you can learn how to do 3D stuff, and then you can go to work in games. Or you can go to work in companies and become a architect, designer, and build. With mathematics, you can architect airplanes and ships and cities and city buildings, and you'll need to use programs like this. I love you. I love you. See my mess back there? Not too bad. My mouse. My favorite dog book. And Daniel got me my new mouse. And he made me coffee too, but my mouse right click button is busted already from Flash. But it doesn't matter. I don't need that. I have other mice. Okay. Goodbye. I love you. I'm so proud of you. I'm glad you're doing your schoolwork. You're going to blaze along. And remember what I said. You're going to learn a lot faster when you're younger. Bye. Say bye, Daniel.
Bye.
Happy Sunday. Happy Saturday.